Half a day, and welcome to the second episode of the Anderson Weather Watch. I'm Senior Airman Mariko Whitlow. In the last video, we talked about how typhoons form and the dangers of them. Today, we're going to start with a basic overview on T-core levels, then how to prepare a typhoon kit. Here on Guam, typhoons can occur any time of the year, but are much more likely to occur during the months of June through November. High winds and quick-forming typhoons can occur with very little warning. Let's briefly discuss the T-core levels before we get into the typhoon kit. T-core stands for Tropical Cyclone Condition of Readiness. The levels range from 1 to 4, 1 being most dangerous. Here on Guam, we are always in T-core 4. That means that within 72 hours, we can expect destructive winds of 50 knots. T-core 3 means destructive winds are anticipated within 48 hours. In T-core 2, those winds are anticipated within 24 hours, and in T-core 1, they're expected within 12 hours. Within this stage, there's T-core Emergency and T-core Recovery. Stay tuned for later episodes and we'll provide more information on each T-core level. Now, according to Anderson's Housing Guide, all residents both on and off base should be stocked with 2 weeks of supplies at a minimum. Suggested items for a typhoon kit include canned food, water of 1 to 2 gallons per person per day, first aid kit, flashlight, cash, duct tape, toolkit, hygiene items, battery-operated radio, medication, books, and board games. You might ask, why stock up now? Because demand of these supplies will increase as the storm draws near. And as my mom always says, you'd rather be safe than sorry. So go and get that typhoon kit started if you don't already have one. It could potentially save you and your family's life in the event of a disaster. I'm Senior Airman Mariko Whitlow. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for later episodes of the Anderson Weather Watch.